Okay, now you've written down what happened in the beginning, or the plot or the problem or the conflict of the story, and you've written down what happened in the middle or the climax. So let's keep reading and see how this story ends. We were right here by the hare sat down by a tree and fell asleep. Narrator 1. Tortoise continued plodding along and passed the tree where Hare was sleeping. Narrator 2. Hare woke up and found out that Tortoise had passed him. Do y'all think the hare was upset when he realized the tortoise had passed him? Tortoise, I can't believe I won. Narrator 3. Hare and the tortoise continued to be great friends. So the resolution of our story was that the hare got so overconfident and was just like, "Ooh, I can beat you so easy." But he fell asleep in the middle of the race. And even though the tortoise is much slower, the tortoise kept plodding along. And he passed the hare sleeping, and he won the race. So now we're on the downhill slope of our roller coaster, coming to the end of the story. And the end of the story is that Tortoise won the race. That wraps everything up. The hare fell asleep. He felt I'm just so much faster than Tortoise. I got time to take a nap. And the tortoise never gave up. Just kept on plodding along, trucking along, and he won the race. So that is how our whole story, we started out with the problem. They were arguing over who was faster. We're over here in our roller coaster. We're going up. They're arguing. The climax, they're in the middle of the race. Hare falls asleep. Tortoise keeps plodding on. Down the other side. We're on the home stretch, the end of the story, and boom. The tortoise won the race. But the hare and the tortoise can always be great friends. So you're going to click to the next slide now. Same thing. You're going to tell me what the resolution was. I know that's a big word. The resolution of this story, which is that Tortoise won the race because he never stopped. He kept on plodding along. And now Tortoise and Hare are great friends. So that's how our story wrapped up. So I want you to go to the next slide. Tell me what happens at the end, and then we'll keep going.